Hi Mia, happy Thursday. I hope you're having a great day. So today we're going to go over IEP goals. So, this is the goal that we have for you. By the end of the 9 weeks, Mia will pronounce the common sounds that the letters make from A through E, make via visuals, picture cards, and manipulative tasks 70% of the time. So let's go ahead and check out our first assignment, Mia. Okay, so I'll give you a few minutes so you can find the worksheet. So this is the worksheet that we're going to be working on today. So it says color the pictures that begin with the A sound. Now listen. What is the letter name? So the letter name is A. That's the letter name, the letter A. Now, what is the sound? Ah. Okay, so you already know the letter name is A. What is the sound? Ah. Now, let's go over the pictures, Mia. Alligator. So, do we color alligator? Yes, because listen to the beginning. Alligator. So, it starts with the letter A. What about the next picture? This is a log. Listen again. Log. So do we color the log? No, because that starts with the letter L. Listen again. Log. Let's look at the next picture, Mia. This is a wagon. Wagon. Do we color the wagon? No, because it starts with a W and we're looking for pictures that begin with the letter A. Now let's look at the next picture. This is an apple. Apple. Listen to the beginning. Apple. So do we color the apple? Yes, Mia, go ahead and color the apple. Good job. After you're done coloring the pictures that begin with the letter A, you're going to trace the sound. So this is the sound. Again, what is the letter name? A. What is the sound? Ah. Good job, Mia. Have a great day.